I'm the last person that will tell you that growing out hair is easy. I'm the last person that will tell you that you cannot make mistakes in your hair growth journey. I'm the last person that will tell you that growing out your hair will be all rosy, that you won't have setback. My sister, you will definitely have setback. There will come a time that you will be overwhelmed. You would want to know what to do. You'll be like, which one should I follow? Because you're getting so many advices, recommendation, and whatnot. But I just want to tell you that you should calm down. I've been there. I've made series of mistakes. Oh God. But what I'm trying to say is that it's okay to make mistake. It's okay to be overwhelmed. It's okay to get frustrated at a particular point in time. It's definitely okay. But what's not okay is you being discouraged or you giving up and not continuing to do what you are doing until you get it right. This is when I started my relaxer stretch. If you check channel, there's a video I uploaded talking about how you can stretch out your relaxer day. I'll leave the link in the description box. I'll put the link there. I think I'm way past 5 months or 6 months here. I didn't relax my hair. I went and washed my hair because my hair was dirty. Only for me to be disappointed. I couldn't comb my hair again. Hair became stiff. I had to manage to section this hair and comb it out. I called my stylist. She told me that before she can relax this hair, that I need to apply powder so that my scalp will look dirty in order for the relaxer not to burn my hair. The relaxer I'm using here is Mega Glow Relaxer. That is the first time I'm using it. And seriously guys, I'm in serious pain here. The hair was really paining.
And this is the point you need to give me a thumbs up. Yes. So that my video will be recommended to others. And if you have not joined the family, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please click on that red subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload, you will be the first person that YouTube is going to leave me any question in the comment section. Send the notification, share the video. It really helped me a lot.
I was so annoyed at this point because I was thinking to myself, I hope all this my hard work will not go down the drain. I hope I'm not going to lose hair because I've been trying so hard to. Then here she's trying to comb the hair. I told her that this hair is pinning me, so she carefully applied it. Not to comb it, she should just apply the relax. If she knows what she would do in order for this thing to be, as in order for me to be relieved of the pain and everything. If you notice here, I'm very angry. I'm not even happy at all, but it's okay. At least I was able to learn from my mistake. So she quickly applied relaxer on my roots, on the new growth only. Yes, so this is where she was done, because I don't think that relaxer stayed up to 5 or 10 minutes because of the way my scalp was born. I just had to just do it, as in just wash it out. So she washed it out here, and that is my hair growth oil that I'm applying to my hair to comb it. So I'm applying the hair growth oil here. So what I'm trying to bring out from this video is that it's okay to make mistake. Okay, this particular mistake that you are seeing here, this is not the only time I made it though. When I had already gone into my hair growth journey, I also made it, and I also made that same mistake again. You will see it in the next slide, the next clip that will come up. I also made the same mistake. So it's okay to make mistakes so many times, but the thing that you take out from this video is that don't just stop, don't give up. Keep trying what you know how to do. Keep looking for method that will work for you. Yes, keep looking for method that will work for you. I wasn't that disappointed because it's my first time anyway, staying without relaxing my hair every month or every 2 months, because that is how I relaxed my hair before. Okay, this is the clip I'm talking about. Here I also made the same mistake. If you notice very well, you will see the growth that I was able to achieve because I was stretching my relaxer and doing other things. So I also still applied the same powder to my scalp, then I retouched it. That way I didn't have much irritation on my scalp. It was able to be it was minimized. So next time when you feel that you've overstretched your relaxer day, instead of washing it out, simply retouch it. Don't just wash it like that, and don't overdo it. Just take your time. You can start by staying 3 months or 4 months before you retouch. It's okay to do that. Then as time progresses, you keep increasing the months that you're retouching your hair, so that you'll be able to maintain that growth, and you'll be able to retain the growth that you are having. And when you are retouching your hair, retouch only the new growth. There's no need of you retouching the other strand that is already chemically processed, because if you keep applying relaxer on it again, it will make the hair to be brittle, thereby weakening the strand the more. I make that mistake before, but I learned from my mistake. So when I'm relaxing, I only relax only the new growth I'm having, because I believe when I'm washing it out, the relaxer is going to touch the rest of the hair. So I believe that you pick a thing or two from this short video. I just said let me come on here and share with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. That is the only way you encourage me to keep coming back here to make more videos, and to keep sharing my experience with you guys, in order for you to be able to grow your natural hair perfectly. Have a blessed day. Bye.